Coverage tonight on a legislative package intending to further protect the rights of domestic and sexual violence survivors.
Today, our New York State Capitol correspondent, Elise Klein, breaks down a bill to increase access for survivors to orders of protection and housing.
Some survivors of domestic and sexual violence face barriers when trying to find housing or use an order of protection as evidence in court.
The lack of having someplace else to live could result in a victim staying in an abusive situation.
This week in the Senate, lawmakers passed two bills that intend to address these barriers. One bill establishes a uniform waiting list for domestic violence survivors applying for public housing.
If you've been a victim of domestic violence, if you have had troubles, like that should be one of the least of your concerns, to be able to have stable and safe housing.
Another bill would enable prosecutors to access sealed prior orders of protection. Senator Natalia Fernandez, the bill's sponsor, says this legislation would help victims build a case against their abuser.
What this will do is to prove what they are saying is happening and to get them the justice that they deserve and the safety that they need.
Gerhardt says it's important for these cases to be able to show a pattern of abuse.
In order for prosecutors to charge abusers who are repeat offenders of orders of protection with criminal contempt, they have to have access to prior orders of protection.
Both bills will have to be passed in the Assembly and signed by the governor before becoming law. In Albany, Elise Klein, Erie News Now.